We realize that you need the best gadgets for your car, and that's why we have put together some incredible gadgets that will blow your mind. Make sure you watch this video till the end, so you won't miss any of these gadgets. Welcome back to Techie Spot. Before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next video. Now, let's move. Techie Spot, your #1 tech channel. Echo Auto Alexa Voice Assistant. Do you drive a car that doesn't have a built-in Alexa voice assistant? You don't need to worry much because Echo Auto has got you covered. This is a very compact gadget that finally brings Alexa voice assistant to your car. It has 8 built-in microphones with AI voice recognition, which receives sounds and transmits to the device. It will always hear you whenever you speak to it, despite the road noise, music, and all sorts of distractions. It will always inform you of the latest news update and weather forecast, and also play your favorite music or an audiobook. It will also assist you with calls, so you can focus on the road. This gadget can be easily mounted to the air vent, and it takes only a few minutes to set it up. Just connect it to USB and aux cable, and it will automatically use your car speakers to function. After that, you only need to pair it with your smartphone, open the Alexa app on your phone and you're ready to go. LED car cup holder. Looking for a cool gadget that will upgrade your car interior? Then you might want to consider this amazing gadget. It's a bright and unusual accessory made for the cup holder in your car. It's made for virtually any car brand, with dozens of logos to choose from. It comes in different colors of LED display, and you can equally set it to auto change color mode. This thing can glow in the dark, and it has a special sensor, which enables it to automatically turn on when vibration is detected. It's waterproof. You can recharge it using micro USB cable, and it can last for 15 days on a single charge. This is a modern way to showcase your favorite car brand. Third generation USB Borescope. Looking for a smart way to inspect your car engine, pipes, or any other compartment where your eyes cannot see? Then what you really need is a good endoscope. This flexible gadget can easily expand and increase in length up to 16 feet. It has a 5-megapixel HD camera which gives a clear and detailed image, and enables you to see the tiniest parts inside the engine. This gadget supports both full-size USB connector and micro USB connector, and you can easily connect it to your smartphone, tablet, or PC. In addition, this gadget also has autofocus features, and with its LED lights and night vision compatibility, it can give a clear image of even dark places. The package also includes a magnet, a hook, and a mirror. It's waterproof, and with this gadget, you can now see every part inside your car engine. Car cleaning gel. Looking for a simple gadget that will help you clean your car interior? Then take a look at this one here. It's a simple way to clean dust inside your car. It's a cleaning gel with an amazing texture that allows it to easily get inside all the holes in your car, like the cup holder, air vents, and all other small crevices. With just a press of the gel to the surface, it will give it an awesome cleanup, and when you gently pull it, it will clear all the dust on that surface. This gel is made with a special skin-friendly material, which ensures that the gel won't stick to your hands, or to the surface. Its elastic surface helps it to extend to more than 9 inches when pressed. It comes in 4 different colors in one package, and you can use each multiple times until the color gets dark. This is the one gadget you need to keep your car interior clean. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Car coat hanger. Looking for an amazing car hanger that will save you some space? Then this one is specifically designed for you. It's made of wood material, and its clean wood design automatically fits into any interior. This hanger is about 18 inches wide, and this makes it very much suitable for coats and jackets of any size. It can easily be attached to the headrest inside your car with metal supports. Most important thing about this hanger is that it keeps the shoulders of your jacket in place, and also saves space in your car. It's strong and can handle multiple coats or jackets at a time. Car dual system head-up display. Head-up displays help keep your eyes on the road when you're driving, but this gadget goes much more beyond that. By plugging this gadget into the OBD2 port, located under the steering dashboard of your car, it will automatically show you all sorts of useful information, such as speed limit, navigation control, and fuel consumption, and in addition, it will also monitor oil and water temperature, and even turbine pressure. It will also diagnose your car instantly, and show you possible engine errors. It has a built-in LCD display that brightens up even in the sun, and it comes in several interfaces which you can choose from. Auto-Trac tire traction chain. Finding it difficult to drive in ice and snow road condition, you need a cool gadget that will help you overcome this challenge. Tire chains are a simple way to reduce the effect of ice and snow on your wheels. With this chains on your wheels, you can significantly improve traction with no special equipment. All you need is to place this chain into the right position on your car tires, making sure you follow the instructions on the manual, and with the self-tightening ratchets, you can automatically adjust the chain to fit the tire. There is a suitable chain for all cars. With this simple gadgets, you will enjoy a smooth drive on any ice or snow roadway. Of course you will love to also consider this awesome snow socks. It's easy to install, and the package includes a storage bag and special gloves. It also allows for an even smoother drive on ice and snow roadway. If you have viewed up to this extent, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Car and motorcycle rear end alarm laser. During rainy and foggy conditions, it's often difficult for vehicle drivers to notice your vehicle while driving on the road, but with this powerful laser light, your vehicle will become more noticeable during these conditions. It's easy to install, and it has a mounting bracket that's included in the package, which makes it easy for you to mount it anywhere in the rear of your car. Its bright red color makes the light clearly visible in dark conditions. It's also equipped with special warning systems, which alerts you in risky conditions. But if you're looking for a more creative version, you would also want to take a look at this one. It has 6 different patterns which you can choose from. You can easily rotate the design with its switch, and this gadget is also waterproof, so you won't have to worry much. You can also use it for motorcycles. Amateur car radio transceiver. Okay guys, this is our last gadget for today's video. This is a radio transceiver designed specifically for amateurs. This gadget is very compact, it has a removable faceplate, and it's easy to install. This gadget has a frequency range that is fairly wide for an amateur radio. It's also equipped with a long power cable, and the tuner supports VHF and UHF standards. It has a palm-sized hand microphone which is attached with a fairly long wire, and with a DSP noise cancellation, it makes your voice sound as clear as possible. It has a large and ergonomic tuning dial, which allows you to switch or tune the frequency comfortably. That's it all for this video guys, thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Please share this video with your friends.